Hi guys, I'm Sarah Margaret with Home Inspection Carolina, and today we're going to be talking about how to know when your roof needs replacing. Most people don't really think about their roof until it has a leak, but you shouldn't wait until water is coming out of your ceiling to take a look at your roof. When knowing if your roof needs a replacement, you should start inside. You should not look at the exterior first, but instead look at your attic. Take a flashlight and climb up the stairs to your attic. Look for beams of light coming through the top of the house or stains and streaks, which signal a leaky roof. The next thing you should do is look to see when your roof was last replaced or re-shingled. Knowing when a roof was installed or what it's made of can offer insight of how much time it has left. For example, a typical asphalt shingle roof lasts 20 to 25 years, while a roof installed over existing layer of shingle should be replaced after 20 years. The next thing you should do to see if your roof needs replacing is check the shingles. Especially after a heavy storm, you should make sure the shingles are in good shape. Shingles should lie flat against the roof. If you find patches that are cracked, damaged, or buckling, then repairs should be done. While doing this, you can also check the gutters and downspouts for shingle granules. A roof that is losing a lot of granules may be at the end of its life. The next thing you should do is check the flashing on your roof. The flashing around vents, skylights, and chimneys seal the seams of the roof from rain and weather. You should examine these points to make sure there are no cracks or breaks, which could eventually lead to leaks. In older homes, flashing is usually made of cement or tar, but it's a good idea to upgrade to metal flashing. The next thing you should do is check for rot in your roof. A droopy or saggy roof surely needs replacing. You should check the surface of your roof for signs of trapped moisture, rotting boards, or sagging spots, especially at the lowest points in the roof. The next thing you should check for is anything growing on your roof, especially moss. Moss can look great in your yard, but on a roof, it's trouble. Moss can indicate there may be trapped moisture, which can ruin a roof. To do away with moss that collects in shaded corners of your roof, use a stiff brush, but be careful to address any underlying problems. Don't panic. Just because you have a few damaged shingles or a bit of a leak, it does not mean you need a whole new roof replacement. If your roof has been properly installed or is younger than 15 to 20 years, it may just need a few repairs, not a full replacement. When in doubt, you can contact a licensed roofing contractor to get a professional opinion. If you're buying a home, you can call Home Inspection Carolina for all of your home inspection needs. So I'm Sarah Margaret with Home Inspection Carolina, and I hope that you guys learned a little bit more about when to know when your roof needs replacing. Bye.